The ratification of the Constitution by the State of South Carolina, May 23, 1788. In Convention of the People of the State of South Carolina, by their representatives held in the city of Charleston on Monday, the 12th day of May, and continued by diverse adjournments to Friday, the 23rd day of May, Anno Domini 1788, and in the 12th year of the independence of the United States of America. The convention having maturely considered the Constitution or form of government reported to Congress by the Convention of Delegates from the United States of America and submitted to them by a resolution to the legislature of this state, passed the 17th and 18th days of February last, in order to form a more perfect union, establish justice, ensure domestic tranquility, provide for the common defense, promote the general welfare, and secure the blessings of liberty to the people of the said United States and their posterity. Do, in the name and behalf of the people of this state, hereby assent to and ratify the said Constitution. Done in convention the 23rd day of May, in the year of our Lord, 1788. And of the independence of the United States of America, the 12th. Thomas Pinckney, President. John Sanford Dart, Secretary. And whereas it is essential to the preservation of the rights reserved to the several states, and the freedom of the people under the operations of a general government, that the right of prescribing the manner, time, and places of holding the elections to the federal legislature should be forever inseparably annexed to the sovereignty of the several states. This convention doth declare that the same ought to remain to all posterity and perpetual and fundamental right in the local, exclusive of the interference of the general government, except in cases where the legislatures of the states shall refuse or neglect to perform and fulfill the same according to the tenure of the said Constitution. This convention doth also declare that no section or paragraph of the said Constitution warrants a construction that the states do not retain every power not expressly relinquished by them and vested in the general government of the Union. Resolved that the general government of the United States ought never to impose direct taxes, but where the moneys arising from the duties, imposts, and excise are insufficient for the public exigencies, nor then until Congress shall have made a requisition upon the states to assess, levy, and pay the respective proportions of such requisitions, and in case any state shall neglect or refuse to pay its proportion pursuant to such requisition, then Congress may assess and levy such state's proportion together with interest thereon at the rate of 6 per centum per annum for the time of payment prescribed by such requisition. Resolved that the third section of the 6th article ought to be amended by inserting the word other between the words no and religious. Reserved that it be a standing instruction to all such delegates as may hereafter be elected to represent this state in the general government to exert their utmost abilities and influence to effect an alteration of the Constitution conformably to the foregoing resolutions. Done in convention on the 23rd day of May, in the year of our Lord, 1788, and of the independence of the United States of America, the 12th. Thomas Pinckney, President. John Sanford Dart, Secretary.